I am studying in UKG. My school name is St. Philomena High School.
Gnanapita Awards winner from Karnataka.
Gnanapita Awards winner from Karnataka. Kuvempu, Dara Bendre, Shivaram Kara, Vashti Venkatesha Iyengar, V.K. Gokal, Veeranatha Modi, Girish Karnad, Chandrasekhar Kambara.
Classical dance form of India.
Classical dance form of India. Bharatanatyam, Tamil Nadu, Kathakali, Kerala, Kathak Uttar Pradesh, Manipuri, Manipur, Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Satriya, Assam, Matki dance, Madhya Pradesh, Gandiya, Gujarat, Ashagana, Karnataka.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India, Namaputra, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Periyar, Tamilabharani, Vaigai, Yamuna.
National festivals.
National Festival, January 26, Republic Day, August 50, Independence Day, September 5, Teachers Day, October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti, November 40, Children's Day.
Planets in solar system.
Planets in solar system, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Four Vedas.
Four Vedas, Rigvedas, Yajurvedas, Samavedas, Atharvana Vedas.
10 Mukhya Upanishads.
10 Mukhya Upanishads, Ishavasya Upanishad, Kena Upanishad, Katha Upanishad, Mashta Upanishad, Mundaka Upanishad, Mandukya Upanishad, Aitarya Upanishad, Chandogya Upanishad, Vrutaranagya Upanishad.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Jasavatara, Vishnu, Matsya, Purma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Vashurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalaki.
7 continents of the world.
7 continents of the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, South America, North America, Antarctica, Australia.
5 oceans of the world.
5 oceans of the world: Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Outer Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
Prime Ministers of India.
Prime Minister of India: Jawaharlal Nehru, Gujarilal Nanda, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Madari Desai, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Vishwanath Pradhan Singh, Chandrasekhar, P.V. Narasimha Rao, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.D. Devegowda, Indira Gujarat, Manmohan Singh, Narendra Modi.
Neighboring countries of India.
Neighboring countries of India: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Neighboring states of Karnataka.
Neighboring states of India:
Karnataka.
Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana.
30 districts in Karnataka.
30 districts in Karnataka: Koti, Ballari, Bidar, Bengaluru Rural, Bengaluru Urban, Belagavi, Charmannagar, Chitradurga, Dakshina Kannada, Davanagere, Dharwad, Kadan, Hassan, Daveri, Kalburgi, Kodagu, Kolar, Kappala, Mandya, Mysore, Ramanagara, Raichur, Shivamogga, Udupi, Uttara Kannada, Vijayapura, Yadagiri.
Indian festivals.
Indian festival: Ganesha Chaturthi, Navaratri, Dasara.
Women freedom fighters of India.
Women freedom fighters of India. Durgabai Deshmukh, Aruna Safari, Suseta Tipaini, Kiturani Chandamma, Kelhari Chandamma, Onake Vogawa, Vijay Rashmi Pandit, Sarojini Naidu, Rashti Nadi Rashti Bai.
7 colors in rainbow.
7 colors in rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Official languages of India.
Official languages of India: Assami, Bengali, Urdu, Dogri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
Religions of India.
Religion of India: Durga, Hinduism, Islam, Islam, Sikhism, Judaism, Buddhism, Jainism, Parsi.
Names of Rutus.
Names of Rutu: Vasanta Rutu, Grishma Rutu, Varsha Rutu, Sharada Rutu, Hemanta Rutu, Shishira Rutu.
Hindu lunar months.
Hindu lunar month: Chaitra, Vaishakha, Jeth, Ashada, Shramana, Ashapada, Ashvija, Kartika, Margashira, Pusha, Magha, Falguna.
Main agricultural products.
Male agricultural products: rice, jute, sugarcane, cotton, tea, coffee, milk.
Major cities in India.
Major cities in India: Mumbai, New Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore, New Delhi, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Pune, Surat, Jaipur.
5 sense organs.
5 sense organs: eyes, nose, ear, tongue, skin.
Kings of Karnataka.
Kings of Karnataka: Pulikeshi, Krishnadevaraya, Vishnuvardhana, Mayuravarna, Madakali Nayak, Magagavasha, Madakali Nayaka, Kiturani Chandamma, Maladi Akka Bukka, Chetnamanaya Vadaya, Kempe Goda.
Indian dynasties.
Indian dynasty: Chalukya, Chola, Kapala, Vaisala, Maurya, Pallava, Buddha, Ashoka, Mughal. Vijayanagar,